Madeleine Albright says she is ready to register as a Muslim. Presumably, this is about, oh, it's over President Trump's refugee policy.
Yeah, Donald Trump wants to suspend the refugee program for 120 days. She put out a tweet that says, this is Madeleine Albright, former Secretary of State. I was raised Catholic, became an Episcopalian, but found out later my family was Jewish. I stand ready to register as Muslim in solidarity. And of course, look, she's been a vocal critic of Trump and campaigned for Hillary during the
Donald Trump doesn't want a Muslim registry, period.
Right.
There's nothing about a religious test.
Right.
All right, enough already.
Yes.
He doesn't want a Muslim registry. When is Madeleine Albright and the rest of that side of the aisle going to get it?
Well, they haven't got it yet.
He's saying no to that. He's talking about terror-prone countries.
All right, how about this?
Sorry, I'm upset.
No, listen, you're all right.